Welcome. In today's video, we'll look at how to make sure only your friends can see your photo story on Facebook using the latest update of the Facebook app on your PC. If you've been wondering how to control who sees your stories, this step-by-step guide will help you keep your posts shared just with the people you trust. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're on your homepage, look near the top where you will see the option that says Create a Story. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll get two choices. Select Create a Photo Story. This option lets you upload and customize a photo just the way you like before sharing it. Now, choose the photo you want to use from your computer files. After selecting it, click Open. Your photo will appear in the Story Preview window. Before posting, you can make a few adjustments. Crop or rotate the photo if you want to fine-tune how it looks. Once that's done, you can also add a personal touch by writing some text on the left side of the screen. Pick a font that matches your mood or style to make it stand out. Here's the most important part, setting the privacy. Look for the small gear icon near the bottom or top of the story editor. Click it to open the story settings. In the privacy section, you'll see options for who can view your story. Choose friends. This ensures that only people on your friends list will be able to see your photo story. Once you've selected friends, click Save to confirm your choice. Finally, if you're happy with everything, hit Share to Story. That's it. Your photo story is now live, visible only to your friends. By following these quick steps, you can keep your Facebook stories personal, private, and shared only with the people who matter most.